Today, I don't have to look very much further than my inbox to see the latest attack and the victim in a small or maybe large corporation from hackers that are just really just trying to disrupt our businesses. So, what are the top 5 things that you can do today to help you address these? First of all, make sure that you educate and train your staff on what malicious links look like. Make sure they understand to know that they're looking for known senders. And if anything looks out of place, it's a red flag. Second, make sure that you keep all of your software up to date. That includes applications and even network devices. This includes firmware updates as well. You also want to make sure that you implement strong passwords that maybe in just not only length, but also in complexity. And also consider using multi factor authentication as a layered approach on top of that. You also want to make sure that you have antivirus and anti-malware installed to help quarantine known bad actors so that you can put them in a quarantine file, review them later, or actually delete them. And the fifth and probably most important is make sure that you back up all of your data. That includes things that you have on-prem and maybe even in the cloud, including your SaaS application data. If a breach ever occurs and you have to go back in time, think about the last retention backup you took and how much data would have to be re-entered if you didn't do something in days and weeks versus months. I hope this is helpful because we want to make sure that we maintain the security of the three most important things. One is your company, B, your staff, C, your data.